Your 2023-2024 Toyota Sequoia key fob uses a CR232 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. A weak signal or non-responsive buttons indicate it's time for a replacement. This DIY guide will save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The 2023-2024 Toyota Sequoia key fob uses a specific battery type, the CR2032. This is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell battery that powers the key fob's functions like remote locking and unlocking. The CR2032 measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness, making it a compact coin-shaped battery. It provides consistent 3-volt power output essential for the key fob's electronics. For best performance, always use a genuine CR2032 battery from reputable manufacturers. Counterfeit or low-quality batteries may have inconsistent voltage or shorter lifespan, potentially causing key fob malfunctions. These CR2032 batteries are readily available at most retailers, auto parts stores, electronic shops, and online marketplaces. Look for them in the battery section or ask store staff for assistance. Step 1. Accessing the key fob. Locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Find the emergency key slot, press it, and remove the physical key blade. For step 2, opening the key fob, insert the flathead screwdriver or spudger into the seam where you removed the key. Gently pry open the two halves, starting at the key slot end for easier access. The battery is held in place by a clip or spring. Carefully pop out the old battery without damaging the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up towards the circuit board. Ensure it is seated securely. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, starting from the key slot end. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your vehicle. If you experience issues, sync the fob as outlined in your owner's manual. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Ensure the positive side with the plus symbol faces up toward the circuit board. Next, verify that the battery is making good electrical contact. The battery should be seated firmly in the compartment without any gaps or loose connections. If problems persist despite correct installation, consult your Toyota owner's manual for additional troubleshooting steps or visit a professional technician for diagnosis. Finally, remember to recycle your old battery responsibly through proper e-waste collection channels to protect the environment and comply with regulations.